How to protect your PC from ransomware. There has been a surge in malware and virus attacks. With the internet intertwined in our lives, we have become susceptible to virus and malware attacks. Hackers have become creative and have devised various kinds of malware to cause harm. One such kind is ransomware. This article will provide you information regarding it and help you keep you and your system safe from them. What is ransomware? Ransom, as the name suggests, is malware that prevents access to the system files and asks for a ransom to gain access. Ransomware can seep into a system through any way a normal virus or malware can enter a system. These ways are: 1. A malicious attachment on an email. 2. Fake apps. 3. Hacked websites. 4. Or malicious ads. Types of ransomware. Given below are 5 popular types of ransomware that you should always be on the lookout for and ensure you are guarded against them. WannaCry. WannaCry is the ransomware that made waves in May 2017 by affecting over 200,000 systems in around 150 nations. WannaCry makes use of a flaw in Microsoft Windows OS that was created by the NSA titled Eternal Blue. It asks for a ransom and a time to pay it to access the files. Bad Rabbit. Bad Rabbit is an array of ransomware that made rounds in 2017, believed to be a variant of Betya. Like normal ransomware, it locks files, servers, and asks for a ransom, usually in Bitcoin, to access them. Ryuk. Ryuk is a variety of ransomware recognized for attacking vast, public entity Microsoft Windows cyber systems. It generally encrypts information on a compromised device, making it elusive until a ransom is compensated in Bitcoin. Maze. Maze is famous ransomware targeting people across the globe. It usually locks the data of an organization, rendering it inaccessible, and demands a ransom to unlock them. Gond Crab. Targeting Windows users, like normal ransomware, it encrypts the data, demanding a ransom to decrypt them. So now let's understand the ways we can safeguard our system against malicious ransomware. How to protect yourself from ransomware. Never click on unsafe links. While we may be curious to click on various links that come as attachments or which offer us lucrative deals, but the rule of thumb is to always avoid clicking on any link that seems dubious. Avoid disclosing personal information. Whenever asked for personal information, check the credibility of the source or the requirement of the same before giving out your details. Also, while making a payment, ensure it is a safe gateway. Do not open suspicious email attachments. We tend to get various enticing emails offering us lucrative deals or offers. While we would be thrilled to hit on them, but please check its credibility before clicking it, or rather visiting the site through a browser search rather than directly clicking on it. Never use unknown USB sticks. Always run a scan whenever you insert a USB stick, as it may be the means of ransomware entering your system. In all cases, avoid using unknown USB sticks, and if you may, then insert them after having a scan. Keep your OS up to date. Obsolete OS can make your systems susceptible to ransomware. Frequently check for any Windows updates and execute them as soon as you get a notification. Use antivirus protection. Having a potent antivirus is a safe way to preventing ransomware from attacking your system. You can try Sysvoot, a robust antivirus instilled with ransomware protection features that alert you whenever you are in a threat. Use VPN services on public Wi-Fi network. Whenever using public Wi-Fi, it is recommended to use VPN, as public networks are more susceptible to malware. Use only known download sources. To lower the risk of ransomware, ensure you download files or media from a trusted source. Non-credible sources can be the hub of ransomware, so in all cases prevent downloading files and documents from unsafe locations. Ransomware have become a threat in today's world, and it has become vital to protect our systems as well as ourselves from this nuisance. The safest and the easiest way to do is by installing an antivirus software. If you are confused about which software to purchase, we suggest you try Sysvoot. Sysvoot is instilled by ransomware protection feature that safeguards your system against any lurking ransomware. It detects any imminent danger and warns you against them. So install Sysvoot now and leave all your ransomware worries to it.